Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you a popular streaming microphone. It's a USB mic with RGB lighting. Looks awesome and sounds great. The cable is 160 centimeters and it only weighs 210 grams. It's compact, beautiful, and very light. It comes with a tripod shock mount and with a microphone, pop, filter mask, shield. You can easily adjust the mic up and down. Even better, the RGB lights change colors automatically. Now let me show you how it works. First, run the USB cable through the shock mount. And secure it in place. Then plug the USB into your computer. Once the RGB lights come on, you're ready to go. Let's open Audacity and test the mic. First, I'll record sound playing from my phone. Now I'll play it back on the computer. Sounds pretty good, right? Are you starting to love it already? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to add it to your cart.